Did you know that you can adjust the tension on the back of your La-Z-Boy recliner? Adjusting the tilt-back tension springs is an easy process that can help you customize your La-Z-Boy recliner to your body's needs. And that's what it's really all about, right? Comfort. So in this quick DIY video, I'm going to show you how you can easily adjust the tension springs on your La-Z-Boy recliner. So in the interest of adding flexibility to your chair, La-Z-Boy allows you to adjust the tension springs on the back of your chair. And so as La-Z-Boy's chairs move like this, the leg rest and the back moving together in one motion, you can really adjust the pressure that it takes to recline backwards. So you can make it easier to recline backwards or harder to recline backwards. So if you're not familiar with what this means, here I have two of the exact same recliners, however in different colors, still the exact same make. The Pinnacle Recliner Rocker. One has the tension that is loosened all the way, so it's really easy to push back. And one has the tension as tight as it can go, so it's very hard, and you can see in this video how difficult it is to push it back. So now that we've seen the difference between a loose tension spring and a tight tension spring, let's go ahead and break down how we got to that point. Now before I go into any more details, I want to recommend that you will need a tool. Now depending on how tight you get with the tension springs, you may need something like a multi-tool, because it's a kind of a small area to get in there, so your hands might not be small enough, and as you get tighter, it's harder to turn. So the first thing we want to do is grab your multi-tool. Second thing you want to do is you want to flip the recliner on its side, because we need to get to the bottom of that box. So as you flip it over, you're going to notice there are two different springs on each side. So you got one on the left, one on the right. So we need to turn these both in the same motion. So obviously just like a regular screw, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. It's recommended that you loosen or tighten the tension springs in half turns at a time. So this way you can flip the recliner back up, test it out, and see if that's what you actually want. If not, you flip it back over and you repeat that process. And you do this until you find the right tension for your body type. And that's essentially it. That's all you have to do. It's a really easy process, but it can really enhance the experience you have in one of our chairs. So if you like what you've heard and you want to see more, you can always hit that subscribe button located down below. You can always check in our description where you'll find links to tons of resources, whether it be our articles, our podcast, our social media. You can ask us questions. We'll be happy to answer them for you. You're always welcome in any one of our stores where you'll be helped by any one of our design consultants or even consult with one of our interior designers.